Hi, it's Rosie, also known as Cali Thrifter. I have an Instagram page where I take clothes that I personally pick out from the thrift store, from online sourcing, and purchase them, and have drops, which are different themed articles of clothing that I handpick for my customers and my followers on Instagram. I love doing it so much. Ever since I was little, I've loved hand-me-downs. I've always gone to the thrift store even before it was cool, and buying new jeans is not the way to go. I love broken in jeans, so that's how I really fell in love with it. And you can find the coolest items. I found so many cool items. Thankfully, BayWearea has restarted, and I got sent a box! I'm so excited. Okay. So I had already opened it up just to make sure it's what it is. And they come individually wrapped. Look at that. Okay. I got a black hoodie. It looks like a hoodie. So they come individually wrapped. It is really nice, and I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Holy cow, this material inside is so soft. Oh, it even has the emblem on the back. That is really cool. So this is what the hoodie looks like. It's gonna be so cute with some jeans, working out, going to the gym, showing off now that we can all go to the gym. It is long sleeved. The hood is super soft on the inside. I don't know if you can tell. It does come with strings. Okay, the next item I have from the collection is a black t-shirt with the graphic right on the front. Can see it is brand spanking new. Man, it does not have the emblem on the back, but it is tagless. So everything about the company is right on here. It is the original clothing line of the Bay Area. It is a size large, and oh wow, it even tells you like how to wash it and everything. And it's tagless. I love that. That's so cool. We could definitely crop this, wear it to the gym again. You could cut it, make it into a muscle tank. You can cinch it up and make it a crop top like I usually do. I love wearing the crop tops. Next, I have this item. Actually, every single item that is packaged does come with a little sticker, and it tells you what it is, when it was packaged, the time it was printed. This is very nice. Next is, oh, the crop sweatshirt. Yes. So the crop sweatshirt is a raw hemline. You can tell. I love that because it looks like you cut it. I don't understand why crop sweatshirts have pockets, but this one doesn't, which is amazing. This one is not tagless. It is a size small. I do think that all of the hoodies and sweatshirts come with a emblem on the back, which I really love. Really nice. Same material as the hoodie. Super soft on the inside. It stretches. I can't wait to wear that with some high-waisted jeans, my boots. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a look.
One of these, it'll all be over. It'll all be over.
And the last one is a racerback tank top. I love these tank tops. They're so stretchy. A bright sports bra would be really good. You could wear this just out and about. It's stretchy enough where you can tie it and make it into like a crop tank. So these are all the items that I had gotten. The tank top, cropped sweatshirt, t-shirt, and regular hoodie. And out of all of the items, my favorite is the cropped sweatshirt. I love it. It's super lightweight. It is a perfect cropped length. It does have a raw hemline, which are my favorite. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see me work out in these, if you want to see me style these, how I would like to see it, because I would love to do that. Until next time, follow me at Queen_Rosie_EE and follow my thrifting page, Cali.Thrifter, for secondhand clothing. It is very eco-friendly, but until next time, peace out.